Hello everyone. Today we're going to be discussing three important themes in March: National Nutrition Month, Colorectal Cancer Month, and National Kidney Month. Hello everyone. Welcome again to Cynthia's Culinary Corner. I want to tell everyone a big hello, especially happy, healthy Valley. Today we're going to be discussing three important themes because we are in the month of March. Three important themes, which are National Nutrition Month, Colorectal Cancer Month, and National Kidney Month. And we're going to be discussing that. All of them are related to good health, good nutrition. So let's get started and have a little bit of fun. First of all, I want to share with you the importance of all of these aspects that we're going to be discussing. They're all interrelated, especially Colorectal Cancer Month is related to National Nutrition Month. Why? What are we trying to promote? Balance, weight management, healthiness, and that's what we want to do. And all of it is interrelated, as I've said before. Diabetes is prevented the same way as we can manage and try to prevent cancer. Since it is Colorectal Cancer Month, we're going to be emphasizing on the importance of vegetables and fruits and fiber to help prevent that. So let's get started, and let me just share with you some of the beautiful elements we have here. We have our nuts, as I have discussed before, very important because they are low in fat and have a lot of nutrients. They're very healthy. We have our blueberries, we have eggplants, we have strawberries. These elements are very high in antioxidants, such as our apples. We have our red apples, we have our green apples. It just depends what you prefer. Now, the green apples are a little bit lower in sugar, so therefore their glycemic index is lower. Something that's very important that I always like to emphasize is limes and lemons. It's very important, and I'd like to say that again. When you wake up in the morning, if you can, just have a glass of lemon water or lime water. Very important because that helps to detoxify us, to cleanse the liver from what we've gone through at night, because we try to go through a process of rest. Anywhere from 7 to 8 hours is recommended. So it's very important to try to have some lemon water before you eat anything else, before you drink any coffee. And if you really don't like that, that's okay. Maybe have an apple or a little bit of fruit. It has the same effect to cleanse the liver as lemon water. So we do have other choices out there. So let's get started on some other vegetables that are very interesting. Eggplants. Eggplants are very high in antioxidants, and you can cook this and you can have it as a substitute instead of a meat if you would like to do that. It's very tasty. You can grill it, add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of seasoning or sea salt. You can grill it outside. You can bake it. You can do a light oil fry with olive oil. I always like to promote the olive oil. And as you notice, again, I keep saying antioxidants. Antioxidants are so important because they help the body at the cellular level to decrease the inflammatory disease states that are out there. Cancer, diabetes, arthritis, weight management issues, gout, all of that can affect us. So all of these beautiful natural elements are here to help the body restore itself, especially at night. So some elements that we want to talk about is portion control. It's very important if you can try to incorporate fruits and vegetables every day. And you know what? You can start slow. If you're not used to that, that's okay. Start slowly, but start. It doesn't matter how much, but that you make small added benefits to your life. The recommendation is 5 to 8 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, a minimum of 5. And what is the serving? Half a cup. Half a cup if it's cooked, 1 cup if it's raw. So you can get a nice salad right there with maybe a cup and a half, and then you can add some other vegetables, some cucumbers, a little bit of broccoli, some tomatoes, some purple onion, and guess what? On top, you can top it with what? Some lemon or lime, and just add a little bit of salad dressing if you need it. There's nothing wrong with that. But try to always add some lemon or lime to your salad because it's just good for us. It's going to add some vitamin C, and it's going to help the kidneys and that liver. So there's a lot of different choices out there. We have our broccoli, which is very high in fiber. Beans are very delicious because they have a lot of fiber and protein, and they have no saturated fat, no fat at all, unless you're going to be adding a little bit. But you can add a lot of flavor by using garlic and onion and nice seasonings for that. Oatmeal, as I've said before, oatmeal is soluble fiber. That'll help lower your cholesterol. And it also gives you the satisfaction of fullness. It has a good satiety level. You're not going to be as hungry if you have oatmeal on a regular basis. You can add some green apple to it. You can add some cinnamon, which is very good for metabolism. It's good for blood sugar. There's a lot of neat elements you can do to spruce up what you like for your health. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are the only vegetable that have vitamin D. I mentioned that in one of my other videos. They're very good and very flavorful. You can add them to your spaghetti. You can have them as a meat substitute when you want to lower your meat consumption once in a while, and you're going to get the added benefits of vitamin D. I thought that was very fascinating. Eggs. Eggs are also healthy. They're low in saturated fat. They have a lot of minerals. They have choline, which helps the brain. All of these natural elements are just healthy for us. The Greek yogurt as well is very good for us. It helps the GI. So it's all about balance and coming together with all of this. And let's not forget the emphasis of water. We need at least 8 cups of water a day. But the recommendation is half of your body weight in ounces. And why do we need water? Because the body is basically 75% water. So if we're not drinking enough water, that means that we're not moving as efficiently inside as we could. And we talked about portion control. We talked about fruits and vegetables. We're going to mention try to limit or avoid smoking if that's possible, and limit your alcohol intake. Move. Just move. Do what you like, whether it's dancing, skating, jogging, walking, going up a flight of stairs, jump roping. Just move. Do something that you like to do. It's very important to do it at least 3 to 5 times a week. The recommendations are 30 minutes, 3 times a week. But I really recommend anywhere from 5 to 6 times a week moving. And if you like doing what you're doing, it's not going to seem like work. So as long as we do that, that'll help you move better, that'll help you sleep better and feel better. And don't forget to sleep, because I know I do forget this. But I also forget to mention the importance and stress the importance of sleeping in terms of prevention, in terms of health, in terms of wellness. Sleep is very important. We need at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. 8 hours is what's recommended. Why is it so important? Because with lack of sleep over time, our body will produce certain hormones that are not very healthy for us, such as cortisol and ghrelin. These hormones increase our inflammatory state in the body at the cellular level. And that is what can cause diseases such as diabetes, issues with weight management, other forms of disease states. And when this happens, it offsets our appetite, because also with lack of sleep, there's another hormone that decreases, leptin. And leptin is very important to help us feel full, to feel satisfied. So that's why it's so important that we do sleep, along with everything else that we discussed, with healthy nutrition, with having the right amount of fruits and vegetables, with moving, with exercise, controlling everything else, limiting our alcohol, also avoiding smoking. All of these issues affect our health on a regular basis. So it's very important for me to mention that and to emphasize and stress that. So thank you once again, and hopefully all of this information, you can bring it to your home. Something that's also very fascinating for me is all of this together basically is chemistry and bioscience and food science in one. And where's the lab? The best lab is in the kitchen, in your home, because you can put it all together with family and friends, and you can experiment and do the experiments that you like and that you love. So once again, thank you again. Thank you for coming to Cynthia's Culinary Corner. And if you can, follow me on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon.